Unraveling, with time, understanding its use in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, with time. This phrase is commonly used but often misunderstood, especially by English language learners. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and nuances together. Stay tuned to master this expression and enrich your English vocabulary. Firstly, let's clarify what "with time" actually means. This phrase suggests that something will happen or become apparent gradually, over a period of time. It's often used to imply that immediate results are not expected, but with the passage of time, changes or outcomes will occur. For example, you'll get better at speaking English with time. This means that your English speaking skills will improve gradually, not instantly. Healing and improvement, with time, is frequently used in contexts involving healing or improvement. For example, her heartache lessened with time. This implies that the process of healing from emotional pain is gradual. Skill acquisition. It also applies to learning or acquiring new skills. Saying, "You'll master the piano with time," suggests that becoming proficient at playing the piano will take a while. Changes and adaptation. Additionally, this phrase is used when talking about adapting to new situations or changes. He became more comfortable with his new job with time. When using "with time," it's important not to confuse it with phrases like "on time," which means punctually, or "in time," which means before a deadline or just before something happens. With time is about a gradual process, not a specific timing. Let's see some sentences to understand its usage better. 1. With time, you'll understand why that decision was important. 2. She realized, with time, that moving abroad was the right choice. 3. His English accent improved with time. I hope this video helps clarify the phrase, "with time," for you. Remember, language learning itself is a journey that gets better with time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Keep practicing, and you'll see your English skills flourish with time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.